get it again. He's hungry. We're good. Oh.
Well, that graham cracker with the right hand now.
I don't want the marshmallows. I want the graham crackers. Oh, no, I want the big graham cracker.
That's the one I want.
His hand had just got fancy.
Gotta have my music going. That's the song he wants, that one right there.
You can have more snack.
What are you digging for? Graham cracker? Okay. Good job, buddy.
You had more eat. Alex. Oh, more eat. And you put it down. Good job.
It's like, yeah, I'm hot stuff. Good job, Alex. And I'm going to do it again just to show off.
Good job. You put in. That's right. I'm going to try something real fast.
See, why is it different when it's not in the bucket?
It's flat. It's flat on the tray. He's trying.
And that has some depth to it, so he can pick that
And the
up.
marshmallows it's got it on all six. Whoops, now it's cracked. And so that's exactly why. So we'll put it back in.
Okay.
And
Oh, he got it. With the leg.
on your tray. Good job.